Hello everyone, and I hope you all are doing well. Today we are going to do the Euro USD chart analysis for today's trade, and since it is Monday, so let's see what's going to happen in the market. So these are the news we are having, and the major high impact news is at 7:30 p.m. Indian Standard Time. So be cautious at this timing because the price could be really volatile. Now let's move to the charts. This is the monthly chart, and what we can see is that the price reacted from this FVG, moved into the downward side. Then we had a strong close below this low, which signaled that more likely we are going to go like bearish into the market, but it is still not decided. So let's move to the weekly. As we move into the weeklies, what we see is very interesting here that the price had given this strong close below this low, and we had reacted from this volume imbalance area, and the price is in the mid of this candle right here. So let's move to the dailies now. In the dailies, what we see is that the price had taken some kind of liquidity, moved into the upside direction, and we have a close right above this previous candle's high, which gives a sign that we can be intermediately bullish into the price action, but these are the resistance level we are having. Let's move to the 4 hours. As we move into the 4 hours, what we see is that we are having FVG, like we were having FVG and we had tapped it. The price sprung up and took the liquidity of this candle and moved into the downward side. But currently we are within this order block area. So this will be the last line of defense for the price, and then we can possibly see all the way down move from this area till this area, or we can go higher, take some kind of liquidity from this area and mitigate the higher point of this extreme order flow of the higher time frame, and then we can see a fall into the downward side. Let's move to the 1 hours now. As we move into the 1 hour, nothing much is clear, but what we are having is this unmitigated order block. Let's mitigate like market. So this is the unmitigated order block, and the price is reacting from it. So I'm anticipating a small time frame, yeah, or short time frame move into the price, and like upside move, and then we can see that where the price actually goes. So let's move to the 15 minutes directly, and what we see is that, like, I want to highlight one more thing, that in 1 hour the price failed to make any kind of FVG, which is a sign of a like weak trend into the market. Let's move to the 15 minutes again. So this is the 15-minute chart. Let's remove this session. What we can see is that we are having this BPR area from where the price is actually reacting right now, but that doesn't gives us a confirmation. What gives us a confirmation is the break of this high. So if we break this high, more likely we are going to go into the upside direction, and since these all liquidities are sitting into the market, the price can possibly take liquidities till this particular area because this candle is still unmitigated. So I'm anticipating that the price can move till this level since we are already into the daily bullish order flow. So we can move till this level, and this will be the ultimate line of defense, that is the invalidation point for the price to turn bearish. So let's move to the 5 minutes now, and let's turn on the sessions for the chart. So this is the CBDR session, and this is Asia. The price failed to break this high, making this equal highs. So if in London session we take some kind of liquidity from this structure, more likely we are going for this high at first, and then we will be seeing uh, the price reaction and trade till this area. So this is pretty much it. Do write me into the comments that what are your bias and how are you seeing the market today. See you in the next video. Till then, keep learning and keep trading.